Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete audio from your videos in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, if you just want to export a video without any audio, that is a bit simpler, and there is only one thing you need to do. Before you export your video in the Deliver tab, what you want to go is go into Audio and uncheck Export Audio. This will then just export the video without any sound in the background, and that should be pretty much it if that is what you're aiming for. Now, if you're aiming to cut out specific parts of the audio from the video, that is a bit of a different story. Or if you want to add any background audio that is not within the video itself, then you need to go into the Edit tab. Once you're in the Edit tab, you'll see these two tabs. This upper one is the video and this lower one is the audio, of course. Now, what you want to do to actually separate the audio first is right click on the selected items, which are the video and the sound, and once you're here, you just want to check link clips. You can do this by clicking Ctrl Alt L or just right clicking and clicking on it again. Now, if I uncheck it, as you can see, I can select the audio and the video separately. The selected item will show up as a bordered orange, or it will have an orange border. That will mean it is selected. And now you can just press delete and delete the audio like so, or whoops, that for some reason deleted both. Actually, yeah, you need to press backspace, not the delete button on your keyboard. That, or you can select it, right click, and then just go delete selected, which as you can see is backspace. And if you want to cut out and delete select parts of the audio, you need to click the razor blade icon here and then just select where you want to cut it. And once you've done that, then you want to select the icon that you have, or the parts that you want to delete, and again just click backspace and then you'll delete the audio. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.